friends, welcome back to my channel. It is Sonia Miller at Junk Monkey Paint Company. You guys know I am a daily vlogger. I love to show up here every single day. Some sort of project, some sort of idea, inspiration, answering your questions. Check back every single day. So today, I want to help you guys incorporate patterns into your projects. When I say patterns, are you like me and you collect and love on all sorts of designs? What would you say if I told you this was just one of all my paper collection? Stay tuned, because on the vlog this week I think we might also be organizing my paper collection. And I don't shy away what I call bold, brave patterns. But sometimes when you incorporate pieces like this and you're trying to layer something, maybe put a design over the top of it, can clash. Your background can be so bold that it overtakes your design. So today, I'm gonna share with you a secret tip on how I use my Junk Monkey paint to mute out the background when I'm adding an extra layer of design on top of some really, really bold napkins, scrapbook paper, you know what I'm saying. Today we're making a sign. These are just plain wood pine boards. I'm breaking out the Mod Podge because this is how I apply my mixed media. And by mixed media, I mean when you incorporate different mediums into the project you're working on. Who out there loves mixed media? Oh yes, baby, a little bit of paint and a little bit of pretty papers. When I use my napkins, I get rid of the back part right here. I am only concerned with that beautiful pattern on the front. If I choose to paint the wood, what will happen is when this napkin goes on top of it and sucks into it, it will show the color of the background through it, through all the design. If I choose to put the napkin on the plain wood, the raw wood, what will happen is it will give me a beautiful designer planked effect. I'm grabbing a napkin that's pretty busy. You're gonna see what I do to be able to mute out the design in just a second so it doesn't do battle with the stencil I'm gonna put on top of it. Now I'm going to apply Mod Podge all over the surface that I'm going to be applying the napkin. Be very liberal when you do this. That's something that helps you alleviate bubbles. So guys, the next tip I have for you, I did not get excited about all that overhang. What I did was I took my sand block and I go down. And what happens is it rips all that napkin off the edge down. And do you see this nice clean edge that I have? So the stencil I have in mind is the letter S. Sweet, shabby, and Sonia. Okay, here's where this video gets all super secretive, okay? Because this is the like really super important tip. Grab yourself a little antique lace, vintage white, grab our chalky style paint. It's the stuff that's already pre-made in the can. Grab a brush and go bananas and sticks to pretty much anything under the sun. And I want you to pour out a tiny little bit. Next up, grab your water spray bottle and I want you to spray your paint. And then we stir. This still has a little drying to do, but for the purposes of today's video, we're gonna move forward. So let your napkin dry, finger into that paint mixture, and wherever your stencil is gonna go on here, I want you to lighten that area. Let this dry, then grab your stencil. And you're gonna love the consistency of our paint to be able to stencil with. It really helps you to be able to avoid a lot of bleed throughs. Shabby chip brush. And doesn't that look beautiful? And let's do some edging. This is what we call around the Junk Monkey our eyeliner effect. We seal and she is done. Today I chose to seal with our all-natural Monkey Shine Clear Wax Oil Finish, but you could also seal with our banana peel poly. Do you see how now when you look at it, using that secret tip of mine, how right here, it does not compete with the rest of the pattern? But did you learn something new today? Make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell. It notifies you every single time I do another video upload. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget my question of the day because I'm about to join you in the comments below. Do you love mixed media too? Can't wait to put this up in my office. Guys, I'll see you again tomorrow. Do something creative, will ya?